In 1807, Joseph Fourier made a claim so extreme that the greatest mathematicians of his day called it impossible. Any shape, any curve, any signal you could draw could be built entirely from circles. Watch what happens when we start with just one. One circle, spinning. Its tip traces a rough oval. Add a second, then a fifth. Something is trying to emerge from the mathematics. This is the Fourier decomposition, the discovery that complex forms are made of simple rotations, layered and combined. Engineers use it everywhere. Every MP3 you have ever heard, every JPEG you have ever seen. Fourier is inside all of it. But watch what happens as we keep adding circles. 20. The shape begins to breathe. 40, 60, 80. Not drawn by hand, not explicitly programmed. It was always there, encoded in the rotation of simple circles, waiting to be found. Fourier was right. Any shape is just circles. I'm Gladys. If this stayed with you, a like and subscribe helps more than you know. I'll see you in the next one.